It's hard to find low-sodium salad dressings that don't have a real odd after flavor that seems to last for hours. This one doesn't. Sour cream, salad dressing, and dip is so easy to mix up. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll get a brand new low-sodium recipe every Friday, and sometimes a little added tip to help you keep that sodium low. In my bowl is 3/4 of a teaspoon of white granulated sugar, half a teaspoon paprika, 2 tablespoons parsley flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 3 tablespoons of oil, and I just use canola, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I like the apple cider, but you can use whatever you like. And 1/2 cup of Knudsen's Hampshire sour cream. All goes in the bowl. Turn on my mixer just long enough to mix it up on low. Doesn't take long, maybe a minute and a half. And I've never measured this before. We're going to measure it and see just how much we get. We have 10 tablespoons, 4.6 milligrams per tablespoon. It's kind of thick, and as it sits in your refrigerator, I made this yesterday, it thickens a little bit more, not much, just a little bit, but you don't have to thin it. I've got some lettuce here. Just going to put a little bit of the dressing on it and stir it. And, okay, and it covers the lettuce. So you don't need to thin it. Makes a real good dip, too. Husband likes it with unsalted potato chips or lots of things. It's quite good. We're not adding any salt for preservative, so I don't know how long it's good in your refrigerator. It doesn't ever last long enough to go bad, because we do like our green salads.